Hey, it's KrepsyK! And today we're making some dried beef dip. I got all the ingredients out here, so don't you worry. Got the measuring stuff over here. Got it, ready to go. Let's break down the ingredients and we'll get to mixing all these up. You need some green onions. Boy, these are some good looking green onions. Garlic powder, Worcestershire sauce, dill weed, sour cream, dried beef, we'll talk about this in a minute, classic ranch is seasoning, and cream cheese. So I'm going to go ahead and get all this stuff ready to prepare, show you how I'm going to prepare it, and we're going to make some dip. We got a green onion here, dried beef here. Now your dried beef, we could only find one kind, and that was the Armour dried beef, and that was in the near the canned meat type of. If it's in the canned stuff, you'll find it. Not all stores will carry this. This was actually somewhat difficult to find. So, I'm going to go ahead and chop this up. Now, that's all chopped up. I'm going to take 3 or 4 green onions, depending on your taste. Since these are big boys and we like green onions, we're going to go at least 4. Alright. Oh! Don't forget to save these little guys, because you can grow them, save them for later, have like a little restock on your green onion garden. We're going to get this out of the way, and I'll get out the mixing bowl, show you all the measurements, what to do with this bad boy, and other things. We'll go ahead and get into that. Alright, so we've got our chopped dried beef here and our chopped green onions. We got some ranch. What I did is I flattened the package, evened it out, and folded it in half. You don't want a full package. It doesn't have to be an exact science, but it helps. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to go ahead, chop this bad boy in half. This or this, whichever. Looks like this is going to be easier to seal, so I'll put this one aside. And this is what we'll be adding. See? Oh, it's nice. Get that over here. I need to move it just out of the way. Because I need the soft stuff first. Got some softened cream cheese right in the mix. Shoop. Hold on. It didn't shoop. Okay. There we go. Alright. There was 1 block of cream cheese, half a cup of sour cream. This is all just good soft materials. It's where your seasoning and things are going to stick to. This is going to be the dip. Alright, so let me get all this out of here first. Alright, that took longer than it should have. Okay, next we've got 1 tablespoon of dill. And, oh, don't want to spill it. Half a teaspoon, TSP, half a teaspoon, garlic powder. Bam! Ooh. And 1 teaspoon of Worcestershire sauce. Alright, bam. There you go. Everybody's got this. Don't forget that little half a packet of ranch seasoning. Bam! Bam, 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 bam. We're like Emerald in here. So, I'm going to go ahead and get all this mixed up, and then we'll talk about other things you can add to it when it's all done. Alright, we got all this mixed up here. Now, you will find this recipe everywhere online. This is the most common recipe. There's all kinds of things. Every place that we've looked at is almost exactly like this. But don't forget the other things that you can add to this. If you like green olives, you can chop up green olives. You know, add to taste, right? Black olives, same thing. Jalapenos, if you want a little kick. I highly recommend de-seeding your jalapenos before putting it in anything seriously. Bacon bits are good. Banana peppers are good. And you can put this on all kinds of things. Ritz crackers, brioche. We had some leftover carrots from a dish. I just took whole slices of carrot and just dipped the carrots in that and ate it that way. Celery, same thing. You could probably even add celery to this. But this is the base dish, and this is kind of what I wanted to talk about. Don't forget, always save your little onion pieces and things like that. We've had another onion cut up earlier today. These green onions from last week. These will all plant just fine. Another onion piece. These will all plant if you want like a little indoor garden or something to set up on the kitchen windowsill. I recommend saving these. Like I said, this is the most common recipe. This is what you're going to find all over. You could add any other kind of things that you want to this, and you can dip whatever you want, into this. But I just thought I would share this. We had this over, I think, Christmas dinner with my aunt. We asked the recipe, and she said it's the most common thing, and it really is the most common thing. So, I want to thank you all for stopping by. You all have a great day. This was KrepsyK, and I'm getting out of here. Like, I felt the spurts of green onion enter my eye. Like, it just sprayed in my eye. I really thought I was going to die. I thought it was over for me, man.